The variable radius fillet tool is really easy to use, and you can create some very nice ergonomic fillets using it. Now maybe you found yourself in this situation. You spent a large amount of time perfecting a variable radius fillet on the edge of one of your parts, and now you need to mirror it to the other side. Seems simple enough, right? Here, I have a block with a variable radius fillet. I anticipated having to mirror the fillet, so I constructed this block symmetrically around the origin so that the default reference planes run through the center of the block. I'll launch the mirror feature. The plane I need to mirror about here is the front plane. I'll select it and select the variable radius fillet as the feature to mirror. The preview appears in the graphics area, and right now everything looks good. So I'll click the green check. When I do, I get an error. SOLIDWORKS won't let me mirror the feature. Now you might be tempted to clear the fillet from the feature selection window and try mirroring it as a face instead. Again, you'll get another error. For whatever reason, SOLIDWORKS simply won't let me mirror or pattern a variable radius fillet. Now, if you've run into this situation before, I'd like to show you a trick that you can use to work around this problem without having to spend time recreating the variable radius fillet. The other nice thing about this trick is it'll maintain the symmetric design intent that you would normally achieve by using the mirror feature. First, I'll activate the Surfaces toolbar on the Command Manager. Now, I'll launch the Offset Surface tool. I'll select the variable radius fillet, and for the offset value, I'll enter a value of 0. This creates an identical, infinitely thin surface right on top of the variable radius, and surface bodies generally can be mirrored without any trouble at all. As a side note, another way to create this same 0 offset surface is by using the Knit tool. Let me quickly show you. I'll delete the offset surface. Now I'll click the Knit tool, select the face, and click the green check. You can see a surface body was created that is an exact copy of the variable radius fillet. Next, I'll launch the mirror tool, select the front plane, and in the Bodies to Mirror section, I'll choose the offset surface that was just created. When I click the green check, the surface is mirrored. To finish up, I'll go to Insert, Cut, with Surface. I'll choose the mirrored surface, make sure the arrow is pointing in the right direction, and click the green check to finish the fillet. If I want, I can hide the two surface bodies that were created at this point. Now, I mentioned a moment ago that the nice thing about this method is that the design intent typically achieved using the mirror feature is still maintained. Let's take a quick look. If I edit the original variable radius fillet and make a small change, when I complete the feature, the opposite side updates as well, which is something that wouldn't have happened if we had to recreate the fillet on the opposite edge as a separate fillet feature.